Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to browse in some coolest feature of Apple CarPlay. We have 4 different apps over here to compare, and this will be a quick speed check for searching a same destination. And let's check how voice command works for all the apps. So let's start. By clicking on Apple CarPlay, after connecting the mobile with the media player, we have these options, and you will see all the compatible apps installed in iPhone in the Apple CarPlay as well. So first and foremost, we are digging in. As a beginner, we will have a common destination. We will check the destination with the voice command, and once we get the directions, as a waypoint, we will have a food corner as well a fuel station. So first and foremost, speed check for voice command to Pune airport.
Where would you like to go?
Pune airport.
One possibility I see is Pune International Airport. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
Get directions.
Starting route to Pune International Airport. Proceed to Data Tray Bivabha Charwad path, then turn right.
So that was for Apple Maps. Now we'll head on to the Google Maps. Pune airport. So that's it. Moving towards Waze. Pune airport.
Let's get started. Drive safely.
No.